Namaskar everyone. As promised, I am back with the second component of SLG, that is the student work plan, which illustrates the topics and activities planned to develop the identified competencies. The course we were discussing was data analysis using spreadsheets, which is being taught in first semester of BSc Honours, Data Analytics and Artificial Intelligence. So now let's look at this table. The first column of the table mentions the competencies under focus and the learning outcomes related to the same. In this case, generic competencies 1 and 2 and the specific competence, the focus and the by topics being taught in first 4 weeks and the outcomes being attained with that. The second column of the work plan details the content of the syllabus pertaining to the competences mentioned. The third column gives a description of the activities to be carried out and available resources and references to cover the content of the topics related to the competencies. The activities conducted both inside and outside the classroom are mentioned here. As this paper is practical in nature, the teaching learning activities focus more on demonstrations, solving problems, case-based analysis, presentation of the work and exercise-based tests. The next column of the plan shows the division of the total time allotted to the paper into contact hours and independent hours. This course is of 90 hours, which has been divided into 34 hours inside the classroom and 56 hours as independent hours for the activities outside the classroom. The distribution of time varies as this course is analytical and problem solving based. The completion deadlines of the topics are mentioned in the last column. These deadlines are described in terms of number of weeks. This course has been framed according to the semester system of evaluation. Hence, I have designated 15 weeks for its completion. This table summarizes the activities inside and outside the classroom and the time spent on them. In our case, the time allotted for the classroom activity was 34 hours, which includes 20 hours of interactive lectures and demonstrations and 14 hours of classroom activities. The time spent for the activities outside the classroom is estimated as 56 hours, which include individual reading and problem solving, case study analysis, group activities like peer review, presentation and preparation for the examination. The third component of the SLG includes assessment and evaluation system. Though our university norms are 30% for continuous assessment and 70% for semester end examinations, we have proposed 40% for continuous assessment and 60% for semester end exams, as this paper is practical in nature and the focus is on learning by doing. Out of this, the weightage assigned to the generic competences is 30% and the specific competencies is 70%. Generic competency 1 and 2 carries 15% weightage each, while specific competency 1 and 2 carries 25% weightage each. And lastly, specific competency 3 carries 20% weightage. This table is a dynamic table and will vary from course to course. The details of the assessment techniques are described in this table. Each competency is assessed through formative and summative assessments. In this case, the practical assignments, quiz, and peer review are being used to assess generic competencies. Case-based analysis, presentation of the worksheet, online test, and peer assessment is used to assess specific competences. The summative assessment techniques used to assess this course are exercise-based test, presentation, viva and report writing. Thus, one can prepare student learning guides on similar lines. I hope it will help you design relevant student learning guides for your course as well. Thank you. Have a great time learning and progressing.